Hi, I'm Shane, the Victorian and Tasmanian sales representative for Dunlite Power Equipment. Dunlite has been manufacturing and supplying portable petrol and diesel powered equipment for over 80 years, starting in 1936. Dunlite Power Equipment was founded by Lloyd Brooks Dunn, producing wind generators from car alternators. He quickly expanded his business in 1936, moved to a new premises in Adelaide and officially opened Dunlite Electric Company with a staff of 4. The Dunlite brand quickly gained recognition across South Australia as more wind generators were produced. The business expanded to include belt-driven alternators, DC motors, and a sales distribution was quickly established. In 1953, a complete range of 1000 watt to 1750 watt generators were produced. Portable generators started to become popular in the 1960s. Fast forward 50 years, the Dunlite brand continues to grow and expand through new products and technology. In 2002, production was moved from Adelaide to Melbourne. Today, Dunlite offers a wide range of products to Australia and exports to the Pacific region. Dunlite products range from portable petrol and diesel generators, welders, workstations and PDO-driven units. The Dunlite range starts from 2.8 kVA single phase up to 16 kVA three-phase Honda-powered portable generators. All our engines are match tested through Honda Australia to make sure you've got the right engine on the right unit. This guarantees our customers will get a tested unit that's been tested by Honda Australia. All Dunlite power equipment are produced and assembled in our Melbourne manufacturing facility. We have 2 full-time assembly lines that assemble and load test each unit before they are dispatched. We only use brands that are tried and trusted. Our most successful products are the ones that use Honda Australia approved engines. From time to time, we get calls from people who say, "Mate, my mate's got one of these, they're 25 years old, I want one too." Highly recommended, good quality units. I often see them in the back of tradies' utes or farmers. They're 15, 20 years old and they're still going. We know that selling a genuine Honda product from Honda Australia, we have the backup and dealer support of over 500 dealers Australia-wide. Honda engines are backed by Honda Australia's 3-year warranty. They're top quality units, unparalleled to any other. They're reliable, especially in case of emergencies. So this unit here is our 8 kVA RCD unit, which has got the safety switch built into it. We had so many requests for these to be fitted to units after the fact, we've actually brought out a model with it built in permanently. So this unit here uses the Honda GX390, Australian approved, so it's backed by Honda, and the Italian alternator, bulletproof reliability. Our frames are sourced locally in Melbourne, so any changes can be made easily. So this is our light trader unit, uses the GX200 engine from Honda Australia, built-in RCD safety switch, and the Italian alternator again, bulletproof reliability from Honda. Our 2.8 kVA Honda-powered GP200, it's match tested, Honda Australia approved, green and gold. Key features of this unit's super lightweight and portable. This is our entry-level unit, suitable for your home handyman, and your 8 kVA RCD set, suitable for your tradesmen. Dunlite has over 60 employees in 6 different branches across Australia. We're supported by a growing network of over 500 Dunlite dealers, and we're backed by Honda's strong dealer network. We often get requests from customers to build specific units. We take that on board and we build units to suit customers as required, and if they become popular, they become a part of our range. Customers can find a dealer by using our website, dunlite.com.au. You see our dealer locator on there. At Dunlite, we like to keep it simple. We use good quality Honda engines on the back of Italian alternators. Tried and tested, proven reliability. Using the genuine Honda motors, it really makes it easy to sell the units. They're known for their reliability and quality, and that equates to stronger sales and customer satisfaction.